Hi, Papa Luigi here. Now that you've become familiar with the magic of small steps, I want to provide you with a tapping script that will help you implement them and to help you move forward in the goal that you so desire. To begin with, when we do a tapping session, we always evaluate at what level our emotions are at or our feelings towards the goal. For example, I have a goal that I want to accomplish in 6 months. And the intensity that I feel about this, the feeling of overwhelm or doubts whether I can accomplish it is like a 7 or 8. So, similar with you, whatever the feelings that you are, evaluate it on a scale of 0 to 10 and note that, either write it down and just remember what that number is for you. And so we begin with what we call the setup phrase, the opening phrase that holds the idea of what we want to accomplish in the situation that we're dealing with in our tapping script. So let's begin. Even though I have this huge goal that I want to accomplish and it feels overwhelming at times, I still love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have this huge goal, this big dream of mine that I want to accomplish, and sometimes I don't think it's possible, I still love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I have this big goal and this huge dream that I want to accomplish, and I don't feel like I'm doing enough to accomplish it, I still love, honor, and accept myself. And now we go through the tapping points. This feeling of overwhelm when I think about that goal. And I think how much needs to be done. And my mind tells me it's way too much. And I begin to have these feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. And I notice these feelings block my momentum. When I become aware of these feelings, I can begin to release them and I can start moving forward. I realize I don't have to do it all at once. I know that I don't have to climb the whole mountain in one day. And I'm not going to accomplish this big goal that I have in one day either. So I'm releasing this idea that I have to accomplish this goal in one day. And I begin to focus more on taking one step at a time, just one small step, one doable step that I can accomplish. And then I will move forward. Taking this one small step allows me to build confidence and allows me to know I can move forward. Each small step that I take proves the fact that I am making progress. And when I see myself making progress, I have confidence that I can accomplish this goal. I acknowledge myself for moving forward and I trust myself and I become stronger and I become more confident in myself. And I know that if I keep at it and take one small step at a time, that I will be able to accomplish this goal. And so I'm planning on keeping moving forward by taking one doable step, one step at a time. And each step I take draws me closer and closer to that goal that I desire and the goal that I have in my heart. And I know that I can accomplish this goal because I am moving forward and I'm doing this at my own pace. I'm not trying to compete with anybody else. I'm trusting in my own abilities and my own capabilities. And each step I take that I move forward allows me to know that I can do this and I can accomplish this goal. Take a deep breath now and close your eyes and evaluate How intense is that feeling of overwhelm or being stuck? Breathe in gently and exhale. Has it gone down to maybe a 3 or a 4 or whatever level? If it has moved down to even just one step, it shows that you are making improvement. So continue doing this tapping and you'll find that it'll help you accomplish that goal. All the success to you. Have a great day. God bless. Peace, love, and joy. Papa Luigi. Bye now.